Hi everyone, this is Sumay from Tulip here today, and I'm here to walk you through our new Footpedal Unit Tests application. Our Footpedal Unit Tests application allows you to test and see whether your foot pedal is connected correctly and is recording input as needed and is functioning as intended. Our Footpedal Unit Tests allows you to either test a foot pedal and connect it through the gateway or through a USB, or even connect your foot pedal via a GPIO input. So how this application works is that when you connect your foot pedal and you press the foot pedal to record input, you will see that the number of times you press the foot pedal actually is displayed in the gray box, and the box turns green, and you see a message saying that the foot pedal has been pressed and the input has been recorded. So this is how our Footpedal Unit Tests application works, and it is intended to allow you to see and test whether your foot pedal is working as intended. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support.tulip.co.